Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, we will discuss and then I will teach you on how to create a program using Java programming language to convert US dollar value into Japanese yen equivalent. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description. Please check so that you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here import Java util scanner for input output in our Java program, and then we have import Java text decimal format. We will use this library file to have two decimal places in our program. Public class main, starting point of our Java program, public static void main, and then I have two variables that I declared, USD for US dollar, which has a value of 0, we initialize, and then assuming that $1 is equivalent to 105.48 yen. Scanner scan, new scanner. This is the library object that we have created. New line, the title of our program is dollar to Japanese yen in Java. A new line here. This is give US dollar value that will be stored in this variable, and then we close our scan, double yen. So we simply multiply the US dollar value that we have provided to the rate, and then for decimal format I declare this command, decimal format TF, new decimal format 00 to have two decimal places, string formatted yen to have a decimal places, and then we display the output here. Backslash T horizontal tab US dollars is equals to formatted yen, Japanese yen, new line, and the program which informs the user that the program has been ended. New line here, and then we close the main body of the function, right curly bracket also to close the body. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go to our online GDB and then click the run button to run our program. US dollar to Japanese yen in Java, give US dollar. Let's say we have 56.34 US dollar. So 56.34 US dollar is equal to 5,942.74 Japanese yen in a program. Another example, let's say 7.34 US dollar. 7.34 US dollar is equal to 774.22 Japanese yen in the program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on US dollar to Japanese yen in Java programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.